Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Projectivy launcher and replace default home menu with it on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. So first of all, let's install the application itself. It's available in the apps menu on your TV. So go to the apps tab at the top bar of your menu, and then let's search for the Projectivy application. Open the search field and start searching for Projectivy. Okay, and now let's hit the search button.
Results for Projectivy.
Okay, then select the Projectivy launcher, which is usually the first option on the list. Select install and wait until this application is installed on your TV. And after it is installed, let's select open to open it. Then let's skip the introduction, not gonna need it, and give this application to access special permissions and send anonymous usage usage reports. So here switch the toggle to the right next to Projectivy launcher and then press back button or return button. Then select get started. And now in order to replace your default home screen with Projectivy launcher, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Open the Projectivy launcher settings in the settings menu, and then go to accessibility service. Here we cannot do that. We're gonna have to go to the general first, then select the override current launcher. Okay, and then anyway, let's go to the accessibility service, then go to show accessibility settings and select yes. Then navigate to the very bottom of your accessibility menu and then switch the toggle to the right next to enable. Okay, and so at this point the application has replaced our default launcher, and now by pressing the home button you will return back to this application. If you want to disable this, if you want to return to the previous launcher, just open settings again, then go to Projectivy launcher settings, general, and disable overriding current launcher. Then by pressing the home button you will return to your default home screen. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.